Aloha buddies! Today another tutorial with the baritone. Like I promised the last week, I showed you the harmonic minor scale and that it's the same on the baritone, so why shouldn't I start baritone tutorials or the switch? So today we still keep on tenor, or you can go ahead with baritone. I explain the thing on both instruments, but I'm staying here with my lovely snake baritone ukulele. Pretty affordable but wonderful sounding instrument, so show in the link below. I don't get any money for that I'm talking. I just tell you what I like, and you can go ahead with yourself what you prefer. So anyway, last week we did the D harmonic minor scale on the tenor ukulele. Here on the baritone it's E harmonic minor, and just for your memory, it's the third string, fret number 2, then the second string open 1 3, the first string open 1 4 5, backwards 5 4 1 open 3 1 open 2. So if you haven't seen my last tutorial video, jump back and learn the scale. As soon as you were a little bit familiar with the scale and you are familiar about the chords, go ahead with this tutorial. I want to teach you the free play. So I jumped a little bit on the Malagueña style, so to show up how to improvise. Here in this case I use for baritone A minor or D minor for tenor, and E on the baritone and A on the tenor. Just those two chords where you can improvise. So for example, we play D, then you can play 2 1 2, open 1 3, okay? And it sounds pretty soothing and interesting because you use the keys of the chord and you just improvise in it, or play A or E and play 3 1 3 3 1 opens 3 3 1 open 3, and then E again, and then open 1 open 3. So like you see, as long as you were using the keys of the chord or you are using the keys of the scale, you can do your free play and improvise. So if you want, I show you the other perspective with my fingers again, so that you can see better what I'm doing. Just a short repetition and then do it by yourself and improvise. So I want you to do the free play and enjoy yourself, figuring out things and do your own songs. So that is what I am doing at the moment so far. Learning scale, learning chords, and improvise and enjoy the free play that the inside can turn to outside. So I hope you loved that tiny tutorial, and it's a mix-up of tenor and baritone, but next week I do the promised switch. I show you the basic chords on the baritone and then the cage system for major and minor that you find pretty easy, the chords on your baritone, and we can do a great thing together. I hope you love this tutorial, and if you want to support me, ring the bell, send me a big like, support me on Patreon or Koji, whatever you prefer, and see you in the next tutorial. Love you. Mwah. Doña.